So we are bagging rice. We got about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 13 to 14 bags so far. So it's a tough job, believe me.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts cannot lie, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow, for now you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day.
Here we finished bagging the rice. Got 26 bags, nearly 26 bags this season, so it's all good. We took 3 bags home yesterday, and yeah, it's about 35 kilos a bag. Pretty heavy, as you can see me lifting it in the video. And there's a lot of work to do rice, but at least we have rice for the year now. So if anything happens in this world, crazy world, we're kind of prepared. I mean, living off grid is a different experience, as I don't have any bills to pay here. Mortgage-free house here, solar panels and everything, free water, so I don't have any bills in my name here actually. So that's what living off grid is about. However, everyone should get prepared in this crazy world, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please take care, and if you like, please subscribe and follow for more content. I'll probably be making a full video of the solar system I have here later on. Okay, that's for it now. Have a good day. Bye bye.